Welcome to my channel Let's Bloom. The topic for today's video is fumigatory and masticatory material. This topic is from economic botany and it will be helpful for the BSc as well as MSc students. So let's start with the topic. Let us understand what are the fumigatory and masticatory plants. The smoking and the chewing materials are called as the fumigatory and masticatory respectively. The practice of chewing and slurping plants or plant product for pleasure or for psychological benefit is said to be masticatory. The plants used for masticatory purposes are called as the masticatory plant. सो फ्यूमिगेटरी और masticatory प्लांट्स कौन से होते हैं? जो प्लांट्स बेसिकली यूज़ करे जाते हैं फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फ्यूम्स और स्मोक आर कॉल्ड एज द फ्यूमिगेटरी प्लांट, और कुछ प्लांट्स जो कि च्यूइंग के लिए या फिर चबाने के लिए यूज़ करे जाते हैं एंड इट प्रोवाइड अस द प्लेजर और सम साइकोलॉजिकल बेनिफिट्स, उनको बोल देते हैं हम masticatory plants. Fumigatory plant materials means plant or the plant parts that are used to produce the smoke. The fruit, leaves, bark or the root of the plant can be treated as fumigatory and masticatory. So the plant part used as a fumigatory or masticatory product can be fruit of the plant, leaves, bark or the root of the plant. Among them, some are found to possess medicinal properties against certain disease. So the fumigatory and masticatory plants or the plant materials are not always harmful. They can be useful for the medicinal purposes also. Fumigatory and masticatory plants can serve as a stimulants. So what are stimulants? Stimulants are basically the chemical agents or the drugs which increases the functional activity of the body. Sometimes after consuming the tea or the coffee, our body will feel slightly more energetic. So the chemical agents or the drugs which increases the functional activity of the body are called as the stimulants, and the fumigatory and masticatory plants serve as a stimulant. They can be mild stimulants, possess compound which stimulate or depress the activity of our brain. So the next is they can also act as a narcotics. They are stimulants, but they also act as a narcotics. Narcotics are classified under three main headings. Narcotics are of three types: hypnotics, sedatives and hallucinogens. Hypnotics are the drugs which basically induces the sleep in the human body, and the sedative are the drugs that produces a calming effect or calm our body. Hallucinogenic apply to certain drugs that produces the stimulation accompanied by illusion. So in hallucinogenic effect we start seeing some illusions. So the fumigatory and masticatory product can be useful or harmful depending upon their desired concentration taken by the human body. So among the fumigatory and masticatory material, the first one is the tobacco. Let us start discussing about the morphology, origin and the structure of the tobacco plant. So the tobacco plant botanical name is Nicotiana. The species can vary and it belongs to family Solanaceae family. Try to recall the characteristic feature of the Solanaceae family. Then origin of the plant. Among the numerous species of the Nicotiana or the tobacco plant, only two species are of economic interest and the source of the tobacco as a fumigatory or masticatory material. The two species Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica are of economic interest, and the cultivated Nicotiana tabacum originated in the South America, Mexico and West Indies, which is developed by the cross between the two different species of the tobacco, Sylvestris and Octophora. When the Nicotiana sylvestris and the Nicotiana autophora species, which were the sterile one, they cross pollinate, they produces a hybrid, and that hybrid on chromosomal duplication give rise to our present day Nicotiana tabacum. The Nicotiana rustica, which is another important member of the Solanaceae family among the Nicotiana, it is a native of the Mexico and Texas, originated by the natural hybridization between two wild species, Nicotiana undulata and Nicotiana paniculata. So this was about the origin of the tobacco plant. Remember that there are two species which are of commercial importance. One is the Nicotiana tabacum and the another one is the Nicotiana rustica. Next is the morphology of the plant. The Nicotiana plant is a short annual herb, also called as a sticky plant. The plant attain a height of around 1.2 to 2.7 meter. The leaves are basically large and they are alternatively arranged. Lanceolate means lance shaped, ovate, sessile, without stalk, with clasping leaf base. Leaves comprises of hairs on the surface of the leaves that secrete some sticky material like gums and the oils, which makes the surface sticky. That's why the plant also called as a sticky plant. The flowers are vasiform and in a terminal panicle inflorescence and are pink to white in color. The fruit is basically a valved ovoid capsule with numerous oval to spherical seed. The calyx is synceplous, means it shows a fused condition in which the 5 triangular sepals will fuse. The corolla with 5 white pinkish petals. Ovary is superior and supported on a nectariferous disc. So basically एक nectariferous disc जो है उसके ऊपर ओवरी जो है वो प्लेस होगी और जो ओवरी है उसकी लोकेशन सुपीरियर है. The stigma is bilobed and the stamens are inserted at the base of the throat of the corolla. So जो stamens हैं वो corolla के ऊपर आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. जैसे कि इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हो आपकी जो फ्लावर है वो वाइट टू पिंकिश कलर हो सकते हैं और जो प्लांट है उसकी ज़्यादा कुछ हाइट नहीं होगी. वो अराउंड 1.2 मतलब 1 से 3 मीटर तक इसकी हाइट जो है वो रहेगी. नेक्स्ट इज़ दी हार्वेस्टिंग एंड प्रोसेसिंग कि जो टोबैकम प्लांट है उसकी हार्वेस्टिंग कैसे करी जाएगी और उससे जो प्रोडक्ट हमने लेने हैं वो प्रोडक्ट्स कैसे तैयार करे जाएंगे. सो व्हेन द फ्लावर बर्ड्स स्टार्ट अपेयरिंग द टॉप मोस्ट लीव्स एंड द इन्फ्लोरेसेंस आर प्लक्ड बाय द हैंड एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज अ टॉपिंग. सो बेसिकली टॉपिंग इज अ प्रोसेस बाय विच द लीव्स एंड द इन्फ्लोरेसेंस ऑफ द निकोशियाना plant is plucked. Topping is done along with the whole length of the plant, exempting the lower 4-5 leaves. After topping, new shoots start developing from the remaining part of the plant. In harvesting, after 90 to 130 days of growing, the leaves start to change their color. And the change in the color of the leaves is an indication for the harvesting of the plant. When the leaves change the color from the dark green to greenish yellow and tend to become brittle and tough, which indicates the crop is ready for harvesting. So जब जो निकोशियाना प्लांट्स की क्रॉप है उसमें जब लीव्स जो हैं वो अपना कलर चेंज करना स्टार्ट कर देंगी तो इट गिव्स एन इंडिकेशन टू अस कि उसकी हार्वेस्टिंग जो है वो कर दी जाए. द मैच्योर लीव्स आर प्लग्ड बाय अ हैंड, अ टेक्निक कॉल्ड एज अ प्रूनिंग, and these leaves are used for the manufacture of cigar and cigarettes. Curing is basically essentially an oxidation or dry fermentation. By curing, the leaves attain a tough texture. So basically the next process in the processing is the curing of the leaves. Curing of the leaves में क्या करा जाता है कि जो leaves है उसकी एक ड्राई फर्मेंटेशन या फिर हमने जो leaves प्लग करी है उसको फर्मेंटेशन के लिए रख दिया जाता है ताकि जो लीव्स हैं वो रेडी हो जाएं अपने अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाने के लिए. ऑन द बेसिस देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्योरिंग्स, एयर क्योरिंग, सन क्योरिंग और फायर क्योरिंग. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन हमने क्योरिंग जो है वो एयर में करनी है, सन में करनी है या फिर फायर में करनी है. सो नेक्स्ट इज द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. द निकोशियाना प्लांट कंटेन्स केमिकल बेसिकली alkaloid called as the nicotine, which is the principal alkaloid occurs throughout the plant and reaches its higher concentration in the leaves. The products include the BD. BD is generally made by rolling off the sun-dried and processed tobacco flakes with the fingers in a rectangular piece of dried tendu leaves. Second is snuff. Snuff is basically a tobacco leaf powder. Cigar is the intact leaf. Cigarettes are the leaf powder, paper and the filter. Chewing tobacco, they include the leaf powder and flavors of the plant. Chewing tobacco like honey tobacco with slaked lime, both are the materials that are kept separately, but before use the tobacco and a small quantity of lime are mixed vigorously between the thumb and the palm. So this is all about the fumigatory and masticatory plants.